Hello guys, welcome to Programming Bro. First of all, I had just deleted my web development playlist here because I am going to start with new and I am going to teach you more things which I have not teach you again and in a better way. So just first I am going to create a file. First I am going to name it with index.html. Here I am going to save this file also. Go to Vititudes, then here I'm going to create a folder called HTML here. Just I'm going to make it HTML. In after then I'm going to make an HTML project folder also. Here I'm going to add a first we not need anything here. Just I'm going to add boilerplate here, means HTML code which we need for a website. First of all, I had just started this part here, but why we need these parts here? What are the important parts of a website to make a static website or dynamic? If you are getting a question called what is dynamic and static websites here, if you just think only HTML, CSS and JavaScript are using in a website is called static. Otherwise, using server scripting language called PHP then it's going to be called as a dynamic, means using databases and other stuffs is called dynamic here. Just we're going to know what is HTML, CSS, JavaScript in this video only. First of all, why we need JavaScript. First I'm going to tell you a basic tag which is called, just I'm using a code editor here, you can use anything but it is an boilerplate. If you just do like this and tab here, you will get autocomplete here, but I'm not want this part here. Just it is none of our business for this part here. Just add like this boilerplate here. Title, which title you want to give to your website here. I'm going to give first website, just like this. Here in HTML it is an markup language, means we have to write everything in a tag here. Means if I want to write a paragraph, I have a tag called paragraph here. You just write P, then it's autocomplete here. Just I'm going to make it hello world, just like this. Just it is an basic, but just paragraph tag help us to write an paragraph in our HTML tag, HTML or a website here. Just here we have, just I'm going to open in my Yandex browser, means because I had just chosen this browser because we can use our Chrome extensions we need for web development here. Just like this, I'm going to select file, then 3/SD card, then Vititudes, then HTML. It is it. Till this we had just made this part. We have made a hello world website here, just like this. Now what we need, it is a basic HTML website. We just use an paragraph tag here, paragraph tag called like this. If I want to style this part like this part here, I want to make it background color should be red or anything other, I can use direct CSS here. CSS, just write paragraph tag, then like this. What many more thing I want to make it should be, just I'm going to make its color should be red here. It depend on you what you want to make or not. Just Control S. Oh, it is the way I don't like. Control S, yes, it gets changed. Using CSS we can style this much part here. Now what is the work of JavaScript? To use JavaScript we use script tag. Just write script. Here we get everything completed here. Another what we want, just I want to make, just I'm going to add a event listener on this. To add a event listener, first we have to target this tag here. How to target this tag? You can directly use document, means our HTML file here, document dot body dot p. You can make like this here. Here just add event listener means just from document, means our HTML tag. You can think this from HTML tag I am just targeting my body tag. In that body tag I am targeting my paragraph tag. Just this part here we have to like which listener you want to add. We have many types of listener called click, change, input, on input, another load, onload, and many more things, change also. So we have to specify a listener here, then we have to run a function. It is just a starting, so just I'm not getting this thing. Here I'm going to make an dialog box here, or just a alert here. Just you have to click this part here. You have clicked, just like this. Using JavaScript we can make a website to do something. It's just a part here like this. Then if I just this part, it is not working that much. Here body, in that body I can just make it dot, just I'm going to make it on load here. Just I'm going to load, just I'm going to change it to load here. Load means when the our website loads, this function will be called here. Oh, what is, why it is not happening? Document dot body dot add event lis. I think I had written a wrong spelling. Just add it, add event listener, control S. It is not happening. We just going to target with just get element, just write get elements by tag name. Just name it as it is a function. Just I want it paragraph tag. Then just I'm not going to make it load here. I'm just going to make it click. Now if I click this part here, you can see, oh, alert, you clicked. Yeah, I make listener document dot, just I'm going to make an p, then just do like this part, paragraph. Here we have to give an index also, it is an array, so we have to give index. Just make it like this. We have given index here. You have made it. If I just have many more parts here, just like control C, control V, control V, control V, like 4 times I have a paragraph called hello world, hello world, hello world. If I just had named this hello world is fourth, which is not working my function. First one is working because we have just chosen 0th index of an array. Means document dot get elements by tag name returns an array from 0 index. There is our first here, it is not very deep video, just I'm going to make it understand what is HTML, CSS and JavaScript here. From next video we're going to just I'm going to teach you basic web development, means that much which you need to just develop a website. Till that much I'm going to teach you. So I'm going to create my own extensions and I'm going to give you an link here to download it from it. I have just 3 extensions which I make it pop up, like making an basic extension. One is one click timer. It is help me to add a timer to my website here, means not a website, to my browser. Till 10 minutes I'm going to add my 10 minutes timer. Always when I added my 10 minutes timer, I'm going to start teaching you. In the 10 minutes I'm going to just try to teach you about that tag or CSS property or JavaScript method. Another is mobile dev tools. You can get every information of an element. You can get an JavaScript console. Another is element inspection. If you just click on arrow here, you will get this much type here. If I just make it hello 344 into 19, but I want its width and height here, you have to click again on mobile dev tools. Here you will get everything from which it had been designed and many more. Elements.style here. You can get this thing. There is margin of 16 pixel and many more things. You have given border color, border left color, everything RGB here. We have just given like this. Using this you can just target anything from anywhere, just like this. In networks you can just add a form tag, means in this section you can add a form tag. You have to add requested to another website, it's going to show like that. Another is resources. It just show you your cookies, what is cookies, local storage and season storage here, which help us to hold some data in your static website. Another is source. If you just click on this local storage, this data will be shown in source here. So from next video we're going to try to do more basic web development, and we're going to just revise everything in a last time, means we have to make sure you have learning here. My aim is not to make you just tell you the methods or everything. I have a responsibility to make you understand what I am teaching you. So bye bye guys, let's meet in next video. I am just closing my Java tutorials playlist also. From first we just going to start our first we're going to finish our web development, then we're going to Java, then PHP, then Python and C++, C Sharp and many more things. We have many more parts here. Then we're going to learn static web development in this playlist. Then we're going to learn dynamic web development. Then we're going to learn programming. Then we're going to learn Android development. Then we're going to learn many more things. So if you want to learn it, just have it, means just watch my videos. You can learn that much part here. Bye bye, let's meet in next video.